Alright, so this is going to be number 16 on the final review packet. So it says that we have a pendulum that completes 12 cycles in 2 minutes on Earth. What's the length of the pendulum? So the first thing you have to do is figure out what equation we know has period in it and has length in it and all the information. So that's period equals 2 pi times the square root L over G. So when we do that, we're going to end up looking at the information that we have, which is 12 cycles, which is going to be our number of oscillations. And then we have a total time of 2 minutes, and 2 minutes has to be converted into seconds, so that's 120. Now in the equation we need period in order to find the length, so we have to take the time in oscillations and change that into period. So period is equal to time divided by number of oscillations, so that's going to be 120 divided by 12, which becomes 10. So that's going to be 10 seconds for the period. You take that 10 seconds and you plug it into the equation that we have for period. So 10 equals 2 pi times the square root L over G. Since we're on Earth, that G is going to be 10. So from there, we're going to take that, plug information in. You divide by 2 pi, so when you type in the calculator, make sure you do the parentheses so that you get the right value. So 10 divided by 2 pi, square the whole thing, and then multiply by 10, and that's going to give you your length. So ultimately, when we solve, the length ends up being 25.33 meters, which is really long, but the period of 10 seconds, period of 10 seconds is also really long, so that makes sense. So the total length of your pendulum for this problem, 25.33 meters.